Introducing the newly converted GMC Savana, customized to fit your lifestyle. With plenty of storage space, you can fit your clothes, your shoes, and more. With a 4-gallon water tank, you can get those dishes done with a scenic view. Have your friends over and cook them a meal while storing all of your kitchen accessories right under the grill. With the convenience of having a car and a home, you're able to light your future. Relax. Have fun with friends. And most of all, enjoy the view. And easily convert that bed into a comfortable bench. Have fun with those you love. Store your personal items conveniently under the bed. Use the 12-volt battery on board with the Renogy solar system to power your life. And light your life with 6 LED remote-controlled lights with an LED light strip. And cool your life with the powerful ceiling-mounted fan. Take life to a whole new level in your newly converted GMC Savana.